try to manage traffic through the waterway. Crude oil prices were down going into it. They're down now about 3.5%. All this, the U.S. ramps up economic sanctions on Iran, calling it the economic D-Day. Would this plan of a plan actually get more barrels through it? Anybody go for it? I don't have the answers, but maybe Dan Pickering does. He is founder and CIO at Pickering Energy Partners. I guess, Dan, there will be one day where we can just not have news and sort of think, you know what I mean? Because it's every day. And I say that tongue in cheek, but not really. It's every day. It's a new headline. It's a new headline. It's a new headline. Does this headline mean anything to you? Because, again, these are two countries that, let's be honest, I'm glad they're talking, but they don't have any control over the Strait of Hormuz legally. And Kuwait and Bahrain and those countries are going to be like, no way. We're not paying anybody to send ships through.
Brian, it's noise every day right now. We've got two sides, essentially the U.S. and Iran, that are very diametrically opposed to how the Strait of Hormuz should run. And so, no, I don't think this news is necessarily needle moving. Both sides want an answer. They just want a different answer. So I think it's more of the same.
Yeah, and in the previous hour on the exchange, we had Amrita Sen on Energy Aspect. She said, well, I think the move in oil prices right now down a little bit is, you know, there's obviously some Pakistan headlines, too, around Iran. That's probably more longer term be a better outcome if there's some sort of a lasting peace. But that maybe the computers have taken control here now, and they sort of scan these statements as viewing them as mildly positive, and they sell oil. But fundamentally, not much has changed. Do you agree with that?
I do. I mean, we have seen over the last 6 months that the oil market's dug a hole, right? It's dug a hole with the lack of supply coming through the Strait, coming out of the Middle East. We've drawn down inventories, probably close to 2 billion barrels now, and we're going to have to build that back. There is demand in the future to build that back. And, I mean, we're boiling the frog in this U.S.-Iran conflict. It is not that much closer to resolution than it was many months ago. So this is going to last for a while, and I think the world's kind of waking up to it. That's been the inflation in oil price and the worries about inflation generally. So, no, not much has changed, and that's probably bullish for oil prices. It's not great for oil consumers.
Well, take that and the fact that diesel is nearing record highs as well. Is there also a bottleneck around refining?
There is, and it's not just a Middle East problem. We've got the Russia-Ukraine dynamic where Ukraine's made some inroads knocking Russian refinery capacity off. So we've lost supply from Russia. We've got Middle East refinery supply off, and the Chinese had stopped exporting products as well for a while. So we have a global problem in oil. We've got probably an even bigger global problem in diesel, Contessa.